Good morning, my Colorado friends. Randy Flood here, and a happy Monday morning, June 28th. Hope everybody had a great weekend, and I know for myself that rain shower that we received last night was very welcome. Now, in the rates go up category, the consumer sentiment or confidence uh, was revised upward, but not by very much, so it really didn't have much of an effect on the rates going up. Now, the rates go down category, personal income has risen, and although it's risen, most people, although they're making a little bit more, they're not spending it, so that is helping the rates go down. Now, President Obama is with the other 19 leaders of the countries, global countries, and the comments primarily are still coming back that they're going to reduce their deficit. They're going to not really stimulate their economies. So on the global side, with everybody cutting back, that's not good, and that's going to have a negative effect upon the global economy, but also on the U.S. Here's what's going on in the market right now. Look at this. I mean, this is incredible. This is a bullish bond market. Now, I don't believe that it is justified with the news that is out there. And right now, bad news is great for rates, and even good news is being interpreted as good for rates. And I expect this to actually come down and close the gap, and will come down on the trend line. But this is huge. Now, if we take a look at the long term, let me go through, you can see how much higher it is. And once again, this is a very, very healthy, rally that we've had. Now, once again, this rally right here for today is not really earned. But over the long term, I am extremely bullish for the next several weeks to even the next several months that we have earned this new level of trading. And this is great. And to actually show you what's happening is, as I was preparing this report, it was extremely up. But now you can see that people are regaining their senses and the market's coming back. Now, in reference to lenders, you can see the majority of the lenders have priced for the better today, almost by 0.25%. And once again, we are at all-time lows for interest rates. And in summary, I mentioned the gap up may close down, which is normal and which is good. The 4% coupon, we're within 10 basis points of all-time high. We are way above all-time highs at the 4.5. If we continue this, we may actually get down to the 3.5 coupon, which would be terrific. There's no supply, no auctions that we have to worry about this week. A lot of economic news, especially toward the end of the week. And once again, as I mentioned, this morning news, there wasn't really anything that should have been causing this huge rally. But hey, I'll take anything that we can get like this. Now, the traders are already anticipating a poor job report for Thursday and Friday. And although the 4th of July weekend is, occurs on Sunday, the actual market will be closed on Monday. But there's not going to be early closing on Friday like we typically see. But once again, these highs are very tough to sustain, so we'll have a little bit of a drawback today. Now, the thought of the day. A belief game began with a thought. Your life is driven by beliefs. I wonder what sort of mood you were in when you chose the beliefs that are working against you. Have you ever been to the point where you felt like you could do any and everything? You felt invincible? Well, when you were in there and you had that thought, it started becoming a belief. And just the contrary happens too. When things are not going well, you may be doing a lot of negative talk. Hey, I can't do this. I can't pick up the phone, call my clients. I'm not pretty enough. I'm not good looking enough to do this. Whatever those thoughts are caused your beliefs. And what is important is you can change your thoughts, and thus you can change your beliefs. So once again, take a look at the beliefs that you have that you can't do, and reprogram your mind to say that you can. And as always, only wanting the best for you.